Hello, so I'm Robin. I'm a junior engineering student at AET. For the ACL Hackathon, I made a website where people can get access to free online backtests. A backtest is basically when you apply technical indicators to historical data for different securities. So on my website, you can enter your ticker of choice, initial investment, buy and sell conditions, and indicator lengths, and run a backtest. So when it's done, it will give you comprehensive analytics about the strategies, as you can see on the right side. I was planning on adding even more tool sets, but since I was working alone and didn't have much experience in web development, I didn't have time. But later, I still will add an asset allocation toolset and an options chain analysis, and then probably also some educational financial information. So yeah, the back end of this website was written in Django, which is a web framework based in Python. I had some experience with Django, so it wasn't that difficult to get the back end working, but I did have issues with sending context data from the backtest file to HTML, so that just took a little while to learn how to do. But yeah, the code for this website is your standard Django setup, just single page, single app. So I won't really go over that in this video just to save time. But I will show you the backtesting algorithm. So basically what I'm doing here is iterating through a data set gotten from an API and applying the indicators depending on which ones were chosen, and then making trades and then returning that back to the Django framework. So later on you can make automated execution protocols, which is basically automatically making trades in real time based on indicators. I actually already made one of those, and I do trade Forex with it, and I have been for a while, but I did make that before the hackathon, so I can't really tag it on the submission. But yeah, the website should be up when you watch this, so if you want to try it out yourself, go to quantfront.net. I'm not great at CSS, so if there is some overlapping components going on, I just zoom out until I fix it. But I'll have to fix that after the hackathon. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Before I'll run through a simulation here. So let's say I go to oops, that's not what I want to do. Let's say I refresh and hold on. There we go. Yeah, so we just get to the website. We have no backtest running. We can choose a ticker. I'll go with, let's say, Apple. Then initial investment, we'll say $1,000. And then I'll go with, let's say, buying at the 15-period exponential moving average, and then selling at the upper Bollinger Band, which is just a double standard deviation. And let's say that is a length of 20. So yeah, if I run this backtest, you're going to see, there we go. So analytics on Apple, we get a total return of about 1,500% over the course of Apple's history being a public company. Some information about Apple, and then various analytics you can see, and use also a equity curve based on every trade made, and you can see your account balance on the left side. So yeah,